Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid Dishwasher Tine Row Holder. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new Tine Row Holder. The Tine Row Holder holds the adjustable tine row in the upright position. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Another way with the door open, we can pull the upper rack out. There's two Tine Row holders on the upper rack. They're both changed out the same way. If your Tine Row is in the upright position, you want to unlock it and put it down. To get it off, there's a locking tab on each end that we have to press on. Once you have it pressed, then you can press down on the Tine Row holder. Once you have both sides released, you can pull the Tine Row holder off the rack. Here's the old Tine Row holder next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new Tine Row holder on, all you have to do is line it up on the rack. And then we're going to lift it up and clip both ends in at the same time. Once you have it snapped on, you can put the Tine Row in the upright position. And we can push in the rack, close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.